In that, we commissioned a work to honor Mrs. Loudis, former band director at Pershing Middle School. She was there for over 20 years, so she would go ahead and stand up for us and be talented. Dr. Prescott is the composer of our next piece. Trajectory, I'm going to read our program notes. I had known Elizabeth Loudis and her work as a band director for many years, but it was not until one of my children were in her band that I came to truly appreciate the high-level music education she provided to her students. Her expectations for what the students should be able to achieve were high, and the high quality of the performances by all her bands clearly demonstrated the positive response by the students to what she was asking them to do. In this way, she put every student on a trajectory to reach the highest level of musical skills in which they were capable. And the title of this composition is meant to reflect that. The music is designed to reflect the spirit of an exceptional teacher who found ways to get the most out of her students as they progressed on their musical journey. Without further ado, this is the premiere of Trajectory.
Thank you.